this video, we are going to create company in Tally ERP9. So double click on Tally ERP9 icon. After giving double click on Tally ERP9 icon, there is a screen. In that we have to select work in education mode. After selecting work in education mode, we have to create company. For that we need to go to company info. So Alt plus F1 is the shortcut key to go to company info or to create the company. So in company info, there is the option that is create a company. So click on create a company option. Automatically we will have company creation screen. In that we have to give company name. For example, company name Ram Kumar. Ram Kumar is the company name. Press enter. Mailing name also Ram Kumar. Country India. State Telangana. For example, we are selecting Telangana state. Later, phone number, mobile number, fax number, email, website, all the details we have to give. If you don't want to give all the details, press Ctrl plus A. Press Ctrl plus A, automatically company will be created. On the left side, name of the company is there. So we have created Ram Kumar company. Now we want to make some changes in Ram Kumar company. It means we are adding other name to the existed company name. We have created a Ram Kumar company. So we are changing as a Ram Prasad company. It means we are changing name from Ram Kumar to Ram Prasad company. So go to alter option. Press Alt plus F3. Go to company info. In that there is an option alter. Click on alter option. Click on Ram Kumar company. So remove the Ram Kumar name by using escape button. Type Ram Prasad company. Enter, 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 enter. All the details, for example, same. Just we are changing company name from Ram Kumar to Ram Prasad. So Control plus A is the shortcut key to create the company. Here we are changing company name. So on the left side, name of the company Ram Prasad was displayed to us because before that Ram Kumar was there. So we have changed company name from Ram Kumar to Ram Prasad company. To change the company name, we have to go to select alter option. Now we don't want to maintain company in Tally ERP9. We want to delete the company. When you want to make some changes, go to alter option. When you want to delete the company, go to alter option. Alter option can be used to make some changes to delete the company. So we are going to delete the company permanently. Click on alter option. Select Ramprasad company. To delete the company, the shortcut key is Alt plus D. Alt plus D, it will use to delete the company. So press enter. Are you sure want to delete the company? Yes. So automatically on the left side there is no any company. In this video we have created one company, we have altered one company, we have deleted company. So we have learned. Thank you for watching.